Retirement carries a sense of adventure. It also carries both excitement and apprehension. Excitement for the freedom it promises, apprehension for the uncertainties it brings. For many, the conventional wisdom for retirement planning involves diligently saving money, investing in stocks and bonds, and waiting patiently for the magic age of 60. What if we could rethink retirement in a way that not only secures our financial future but also enriches our lives in unexpected ways? Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism doesn't mean living like a monk, it means prioritizing experiences over possessions. By trimming unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly brings joy, you can save more money for retirement while simplifying your life in the process. Invest in yourself. Use your pre-retirement years to explore new passions, learn new skills, or maybe even start a side business. Not only can this generate additional income streams, but it can also keep you mentally sharp and emotionally fulfilled. Geo-arbitrage. By relocating to a more affordable region, you can stretch your retirement savings much further. You'll have the opportunity to immerse yourself in a new culture and enjoy a higher quality of life at a much lower cost. Community living. Consider joining a co-housing community or retirement village where like-minded individuals come together to share resources, socialize, and support each other in their golden years. Not only does this provide built-in social connections, but it can also reduce living expenses through shared amenities and utilities. Retirement planning doesn't have to follow a one-size-fits-all approach. By thinking outside the box and embracing unconventional strategies, you can pave the way for a retirement that's not only financially secure but also deeply fulfilling. If you need assistance with retirement planning, don't hesitate to contact our team of financial experts.